This video shows how to buy shares of Allegro MicroSystems Inc., a semiconductor and sensor technology company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker ALGM. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. Always research and understand the risks before investing. To buy ALGM, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ALGM to find Allegro MicroSystems Inc. Make sure you select the correct listing by confirming the company name and NASDAQ exchange. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movements. Double-check the ticker ALGM and the NASDAQ listing to confirm you are on the correct asset page. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review order details such as market or limit options before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the trade. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft note, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.